Hello students, today we will discuss about Othello's explanation. Good name in man and woman. Dear my lord, it is the immediate jail of their souls. Who steals my purse, steals trash, it is something nothing. It was mine, it is his, and has been slave to thousands. What he that flees from me, my good name, robs me of that which not enriches him and makes one poor indeed. ये एक्ट थर्ड सीन थर्ड से ली गई है. ओके, इसका कॉन्टेक्स्ट है these lines are spoken by Iago in act third scene third. Iago has already started poisoning Othello's mind regarding the chastity of his wife in Desdemona. He is playing his part very cunningly in order to make Othello still more curious. He says that Othello must not know what is in this mind, and then to make Othello still more suspicious, he starts speaking about good name or reputation. Explanation है Iago says that good name or honor is the most valuable possession of a person. It is indeed priceless. A person who has robbed us of our purse has robbed us of quite worthless thing. It may be something, but in fact it is nothing. Formerly, I was the owner of the purse. Now it has got a new master. It has been slave to thousands of masters. Because money changes master so often, but when a person robs me as my good name, then he has left me very poor and even has not been enriched by it. He has deprived me of the greatest treasure of my soul. इन लाइन्स में यागो ओथेलो को डेस्डेमोना और कैशियो के खिलाफ भड़काते हुए कहता है कि इज्जत ही तो स्त्री पुरुष का सबसे बड़ा धन होता है. यदि कोई मेरा पर्स चुराता है तो वह कुछ भी नहीं चुरा पाता, क्योंकि धन तो आज मेरा है तो कल किसी और का. यह तो हजारों मालिक बदलता है, लेकिन यदि कोई मेरा चरित्र हनन करता है तो उसने मेरा सब कुछ चुरा लिया. जो उसे धनी तो नहीं बना सकता, किंतु मुझे निर्धन अवश्य बना देगा. Next, O beware, my lord, of jealousy. It is the green-eyed monster which doth mock the meat it feeds on, that cuckold lives in flesh, who curtain of his fat loves not his wronger, but what tamed minutes falls over, who doubts yet doubts, suspects yet strongly loves. ये भी एक्ट थर्ड सीन थर्ड से ली गई है. इसका कॉन्टेक्स्ट है These lines have been taken from Act Third, Scene Third of Shakespeare's Othello, one of the four great tragic plays. Iago has succeeded in making Othello suspicious of Desdemona's secret affair with Cassio. Iago played double role by pretending favoring Desdemona, but in fact provoking Othello against his wife. He advised Othello to be free from the monster of jealousy. Okay, इसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन है Iago is successful in filling Othello's mind with the poison of jealousy and doubt. He has assured Othello about the secret love of Cassio with Desdemona, yet he asked him not to be serious on this matter. He compared jealousy to demon, lion, and the wild cat that or which played with its victim before making it a morsel. Jealousy itself mocks. He says that a man whose wife is not faithful to him does not care because he knows that his wife is characterless, so he does not love her. But the condition of that cuckold is a pitiable, who still loves his wife, though he has feelings of doubt and suspicions in his mind. His life seems through to be difficult, especially when he has doubt about his wife and still loves her. ओथेलो जो यागो जो है ओथेलो के मस्तिष्क में संदेह का विष भरने में सफल हो जाता है। वह कैशियो डेस्डेमोना के विषय में गलत जानकारी देकर विश्वास दिलाता है कि फिर भी ओथेलो से कहता है कि वह उसको गंभीरता से ना ले। वह ईर्ष्या की तुलना राक्षस शेर तथा जंगली बिल्ली से करता है, जो अपने शिकार को एक ऐसा व्यक्ति जो अपने शिकार को खाने से पहले उसके साथ खेलता है। ईर्ष्या स्वयं का हिराश करती है। वह कहता है कि एक ऐसा व्यक्ति जिसकी पत्नी वफादार नहीं है वह उसे प्रेम नहीं करता, क्योंकि वह जानता है कि उसकी पत्नी बेवफा है। फिर भी उससे प्रेम करता है। उसका जीवन कठिन लगता है, विशेषकर उन परिस्थितियों में जब वह अपनी पत्नी के संबंध में शक भी करता है और फिर भी उससे प्रेम करता है। नेक्स्ट है पुअर एंड कंटेंट इज रिच एंड रिच इनफ, बट रिच फाइंड लेस is as poor is better. To him that ever fears he shall be poor. Good heaven, the souls of all my tribe defend from jealousy. ये भी एक्ट थर्ड सीन थर्ड से ली गई है। इसका कॉन्टेक्स्ट है दीज लाइन्स हैव बीन टेकन फ्रॉम एक्ट थर्ड सीन थर्ड ऑफ शेक्सपियर्स ओथेलो, वन ऑफ द फोर great tragic play. Iago makes Othello suspicious of Desdemona's secret affair with Cassio. Iago claims Othello is suffering from the feelings of jealousy. Explanation is कि Iago expresses false sympathy with Othello. He prays God to save him and his tribe from the evil of jealousy. According to Iago, jealousy kills a man from his inside and makes him poor. The victim of jealousy fears that he may lose whatever he has. Iago claims that a man is very unfortunate if he loves his wife but suspects her loyalty in spite of being rich. He can't enjoy himself in his prosperity because of jealousy. He is like winter that fears with the arrival of autumn. इसकी यागो ओथेलो के साथ झूठी सहानुभूति प्रकट करता है। वह भगवान से प्रे करता है कि उसे ईर्ष्या से बचाए। यागो के अनुसार ईर्ष्या इंसान को भीतर से कमज़ोर बना देती है। ईर्ष्या के शिकार होने से व्यक्ति अपनी योग्यता को खो देता है। यागो इस बात पर जोर देता है कि जो व्यक्ति अपनी पत्नी से प्रेम करता है उसकी यथार्थता पर शक करता है, वह व्यक्ति बड़ा ही अभागी होता है। वह समृद्धिशाली होने के बावजूद भी जीवन का आनंद ईर्ष्या के कारण नहीं ले सकता। वह एक शरद ऋतु की भांति है जो पतझड़ के आने से डरता है। Othello's mind has already been very much upset by Iago. He is very sad and desperate and thinks that Desdemona has deceived him, perhaps because he has no match for her in external appearance and age. In a very separate mood, he says that the curse of marriage is that the woman fully belongs to us, but there is no way to control their passions and desires. Othello says that he would prefer the life of a fool who feeds on her person, full air of dungeon, but at no cost would share his love with any her person. However, the life of great ones is mostly cursed, although they belong to the privileged class of society. They are even less free from the curse of Kukulrai than even the most ordinary or base pupil. Othello here thinks that perhaps like death, it is also unavoidable because it is fated from the time we are mothers born. ओथेलो गहरी उदासी से गिरकर कहता है कि शादी का यही अभिशाप है कि हम पत्नी पर अपना पूरा अधिकार समझ बैठते हैं और कि उसकी वासना की इच्छा पर हमारा पूरा नियंत्रण नहीं हो सकता। इससे तो मैं एक मेंढक की ज़िंदगी पसंद करूँगा जो कि एक अंधेरी कोठरी की बदबू में ही सांस लेती है, बजाय उसके कि अपने प्यार को किसी अजनबी के साथ बांटे। ऊंचे लोगों की ज़िंदगी में तो अभिशाप छोटे लोगों से भी अधिक देखने में आता है और शायद पत्नी की भाई हमारी किस्मत में जन्म के समय से ही लिख कर आती है और मृत्यु की तरह हम इस अभिशाप से भी नहीं बच सकते। Othello, who had stated his life on the love of Desdemona, has been almost convinced of the infidelity of his wife. Love was the spring from when his life current drain has dried up, and now there is no charm in his life. His spirit has been entirely crushed, and in this mood of utter depression, he says that the peace of his mind is gone forever. He bids farewell to his glorious military career. The sight of a soldier wearing sky-colored feather in his cap cannot now thrill his heart.